Everything you need. Set includes 2 targets with score trackers, 6 rubber bolos, carrying case and rules. Fastest assembly. PVC targets are pre-glued so assembly takes under 2 minutes, compared to 10+ minutes for competing sets. Kid-friendly. Soft rubber bolos are kid-friendly and great for indoors, and the extra thick string prevents tangles. Premium CONSTRCUTION, PVC tubes are 50% thicker than the leading economy set. PVC has been upgraded as of August 2017. Ladder toss game. GoSports Ladder Toss is a classic lawn game where players compete to score the most points by tossing and wrapping their bolos around different rungs of the opposite ladder. Each tier ranges from 1 to 3 points, so aim for the top to score the most points. Play 1-on-1 or in teams of 2 for multiplayer competition. Easy to use and kid-friendly. Perfect for families. Unlike other ladder toss games with hard golf ball bolos, our game includes soft rubber bolos that are safer for kids. The softer material is also great for indoor play during rainy weather or game night. New and improved edition. We've upgraded our game. The PVC frame is now 50% thicker than comparable sets, making it sturdier for gameplay. Best of all, our new durable design ensures that your ladder is long-lasting and won't warp on hot summer days. Top reviews from the United States. Fun game, good quality. I have always played this game at other people's houses and they always had cheesy wobbly frames. I was so excited to put this together. It's very sturdy and colorful. I'm looking forward to playing it at our cookout on Saturday. It comes with a very sturdy storage bag which I didn't expect, so that was kind of cool. Very easy to put this together. It will be very easy to take apart and put back in the bag, too. The bag doesn't take up too much space. When you really think about it, you're paying over $50 for some PVC pipe. But it's very well made and the balls seem like they are high quality along with the ropes.